3.7, 332 miles an hour, and Jason Logan will not be on Dancing with the Stars. Austin Prock goes back to the top. He puts Cornwell and Chevrolet number 1. Greg Anderson with better numbers low. Erica with better numbers down there, 6.548, 209, and Erica goes back to the top.
Hartford's car made it through the shake zone. A 43 light for Greg Anderson. And at the finish line stripe, Greg Anderson has put $40,000 in his pocket already this weekend. 6:59.5 at 208 miles an hour. The car got better all day. 6:64.1 for Matt Hartford. He simply didn't have enough horse to hang with that guy.
Standing here on the stage with Steve Bryson from GETTRX to hand Greg Anderson the belt, the GETTRX All-Star Pro Stock Champion Callout winner. Greg, it has been a heck of a run you've been on right now. This is a guy who has won over 100 races. What is the meaning to come home with $40,000 of this man's money?
It's too damn cool, Bruno. We've had a great run lately. You're right. My car has just been absolutely awesome. My HendrickCars.com Chevy has just been bad to the bone. Thank you, Summit. Thank you, everybody that helps us. Racepack, we raced our wheels. Thank you, guys. And how about this? A GETTRX championship belt. How about that? Baby. How about that? Yeah!
Congratulations, Greg. Thank you so much, Mr. Bryson, for coming on board and putting this money on and this whole race on.
Barely. It's heavy as hell.
Oh, that's too cool.
Okay, you take a side, I'll take a side. Glad we're not putting it on me.
Reaction time advantage goes to Gadsden 28 to Tonglet's 50. 60-foot advantage goes to Gadsden as well, and it is Gadsden on a hole shot. 682.9 at 200, beating a 681.9 at 199.52. Richard Gadsden goes to the final of the Mission Too Fast, Too Tasty Challenge. And Wilkerson, oh man, that is absolutely sickening. Wilkerson goes red. Hagan just annihilates the tires, and Hagan advances. And Doug Coletta goes up in smoke, and Clay Millican's love affair with the city of Chicago continues at 395, 253 miles an hour. He's heading to the final. A 008 light for Richard Gadsden. He stood in the ring, but he will not be in the ring. He's going over the top rope because there goes Gage Herrera. A little wiggle at the end. 6:73.3 at 201 miles an hour as Gadsden runs a 6:79.5. Gage Herrera roars down for another victory on this season. And the DHL Supra explodes off the starting line, and J.R. Todd says, "Pay up, sucker." 404 with a 0 at 316 miles an hour. Hagan runs 410. Clay Millican smokes the tires, and the Skagit Wagon collects more trophies to put him back. 383.1, 320 miles an hour for Ashley.
How about 373? Hey, Chicago, TJ's back on top. 3.736, 331 miles an hour. Zizou, number 1. Justin Ashley goes 413, 213 miles an hour, shutting off early. And TJ at his home race, his season debut, hey, he's got 6 points. He can climb his way into the countdown to the championship if he keeps this up. How about 373? Hey, Chicago, TJ's back on top. 3.736, 331 miles an hour. Zizou, number 1. Justin Ashley goes 413, 213 miles an hour, shutting off early. And TJ at his home race, his season debut, hey, he's got 6 points. He can climb his way into the countdown to the championship if he keeps this up.